Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Ms. Gohar and once again I welcome you all with the virtual learning program. Dear students, you are very familiar of these characters: the dad, mom, Chip, Biff, Keeper and Floppy. Now let's read the new book, Fun at the Beach. Let's get started. This is book page number 1. The word is dad and mom. Look at the picture. This is dad and she is mom and they are at the beach. Now let's turn the page. Page number 2, and in the page number 3 the word is mom and dad. They are at the photo booth and the keeper Chip and she is Biff and Biff is taking picture of their parents. Turn the page. This is Keeper, Biff and Dad, Mom, Chip and Floppy. They all are looking at the weird mirror. Look at the faces. Turn the page. This is Biff, Chip, Biff and Keeper. They all are at the jumping beds and Dad and Floppy are looking at them. And in the last page, oh, Floppy is jumping on the mud. Now this is the home task. Identify the characters and their names. I hope you like the video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.